Hey there. Today I'm going to show you how you can manage your billing and refunds with Fireflies, especially if you're looking for a refund after missing the cancellation deadline for your trial. Now, first things first, let's go over when you're eligible for a refund. If you're on a monthly plan, you can get a full refund if you use Fireflies for 7 days or less and log 3 meetings or fewer. If you use Fireflies for more than 7 days or logged more than 3 meetings, you'll receive a prorated refund based on your usage. If you're on an annual plan, you can also get a full refund if you use Fireflies for 7 days or less and logged 20 meetings or fewer. Unfortunately, prorated refunds aren't available on annual plans. Let's say you're on a business plan with an annual subscription. If you're eligible for a full refund, you receive the full amount minus a small $3 processing fee. To request a refund, it's very easy. Simply go to your Fireflies dashboard, then you go to the bottom to see this Help and Resources button, click on it, then click on Contact Support, and then you just have to open a new chat and mention that you're requesting a refund, and our team will take it from there. Refunds typically take 5 to 10 business days to reflect on your original payment method. You know, the usual. Keep in mind that a $3 processing fee is deducted from all refunds, and AI credit purchases are non-refundable. That's it. If you're eligible for a refund, the process is quick and simple. Just reach out to our support team and we'll guide you through it. Cheers.